this is our judge panel for today. If you guys could explain your project and a couple of the design decisions that you made and let them experience it, that would be great. You guys have 4 minutes to do your description and on good.
So we're team 14, and this year's concept was Clockwork. We decided to focus on the gears. So what do these gears represent? These gears represent, they have to be in the right proportion. They have to work in tandem together in order for it to function. So that's what we have here. If you come along with me, we can go ahead and do a circle tour. So this is the circadian rhythm, our inner clock. You know, we need the right amount of balance, the right amount of light in order for us to have a balance, keep a good balance and be healthy. You know, too much darkness sometimes could be bad for us. Too much light, you know, could hurt our skin. So this is a structure that integrates the coexistence of humans and nature. So if you could go ahead and set up, and Ivan could go ahead and explain a little more on the concept.
So our concept, we talked with this picture about gear. So yeah, the clockwork doesn't require gears and stuff like that. But how does that relate back to human being? How does human being react back to time and nature? So we're looking at what gears are and deconstructing them. First of all, we're looking at this considered proportion, which is like perfection, but in a human scale wise. So this is using the golden section. I have this user as at the highest one is at 60. Excuse me. Is at 68. So we kept that. We thought that's most appropriate. We use that as the highest one and continue on the arc to this golden section, so we can actually help us do the continuous structure. Second, about clockwork or about time and such is about precision. How things work. So these panels are able to open and close at our manual. The reason we did that is looking at Mother Nature. How do they react to the sun? If flowers blossoming in the day, you see the photosynthesis. They have that kind of sort of interaction. So we thought it was necessary that humans would actually need that too. These up and tie them and do things. Third is interaction. Just like you guys are coming in here and experiencing the routines that we want to have. There's also about the interaction between structure and the nature of the landscape. How can we actually build this, sleep on it without having to build a floor and react back to the landscape? So we're actually in a reaction mode. But how we do that, well, as Saul explained, the systematic that actually made it possible. So you continue on and you'll see. Yeah. See up going on.
Hello. Thinking about the systematic aspect of our project, we came up with this 3-point tripod system, which will allow us to set each individual project in any terrain possible, whether it's a hillside going down, we can adjust them anywhere we want, anchor them down. Now once we included our weight into the project, we started thinking about reinforcing them. So we went with this truss system, which will allow us not only with compression, but tension. That way it stabilizes each structure. We also developed these adjustable panels, as Ivan showed you. It also helps us control light, whether we want to allow it to come into our space or block it out. It's also rain resistant. It's the same material used in umbrellas. It also helps us control airflow. Throughout the day, if heat's trapped in here, when we have them open, it helps us allow heat to rise up and cool our space. Now, to show you of how the entire project works, I'm going to hand you off to Matt right here.
Hello everyone. So instead of having individual frames, we wanted a structure that would be more dynamic, in which each frame would interact and be interconnected with one another. By using the mesh and bungee cord, it actually allows to move it around to be organized through different organizations and formations. One of the first ones that we had is a centralized organization, which is the first one that you saw the picture was laid out. And that basically gave us a more intimate, private setting, which was used during sleeping hours. Another one was an apps organization, which is basically a half circle. It serves as a backdrop or a stage for the public. And the one that you're experiencing right now is a linear organization. So The linear organization, it gives the audience more of an experience to different diffusions of light through the open panels and the method also the filters of light. Eddie will explain to you the process that we took to get to where we're at today.
Hello. So the process to achieve this. We started off with a 3D model. We printed out one, and what that gave us was basically the massing model, the massing of what we wanted the end product to look like. Once we agreed that that's the form that we wanted to manipulate, and we moved on to testing material. We first tried out EMT pipe. It didn't work out so good. So then we had to work with an outside source from school. We got in contact with a metal bender, and he helped us. We provided him shop drawings and a molding of what we wanted, and we helped him bend the metal. Once we achieved this, then we went on to welding the pieces together, bolting them on, and adding this huge shape here so that we can help stabilize the tripod system we have going on. Anchored in 3 places to help stabilize it, and also the horizontal and the vertical truss system to help it support it from moving left to right. Once we did that, we said, okay, this is not EMT anymore. We got to test the structure if that actually works. Wait, the biggest guy, he actually slept in this last night. A little more comfortable. Oh yeah. With a little heat going on, get a little more comfortable. And those are the phases that we checked for.
How did you get it here? How did you transport it?
We actually worked together.
This is actually, we thought about it as a teamwork thing. And we want to make sure the teamwork. So we're able to carry 2 at a time. About 120 pounds is a lot of weight. But as we work in tandem, having one holding on the 2 pieces, the other one in the corners, and 2 on the inside, we're able to walk through this and